for in a minute, we will officially start our program. Maraming salamat po.
Tapos, masyado siyang malayo.
Binabati ko rin po, sound check. Medyo humina po ulit tayo. Yan. Hello, sound check.
Kanya-kanya nilang ma'am.
Muli po, binabati ko po ang audio level up, sound check. Binabati ko po ang pamahalang pambarangay ng Barangay Tuban. Siyempre, yan po ay sa pangunguna ng ating punong barangay, Honorable Rolando Perez. Good evening po. And the rest of the Barangay Council. Once again, the audio level up sa lahat po na nakakarinig ng aking tinig na nasa labas pa. In a minute, we will officially start our program. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, please find the most comfortable seat at mamaya-maya po ay konti na lamang ang inyong mauupuan. Kaya iniimbitahan ko po muli ang ating mga kabarangays na pumasok na po dito sa ating covered court dahil tayo po ay mag-uumpisa na.
Aakit naman natin siya dun sa taas mga hita. Doon pa talaga pwesto niya. Okay lang, kami na lang mag-adjust na tapos. Yan, ibabalik mo rin dito sa gitna. Tapos, medyo palit. Huwag masyadong... Slow ka na.
ngayon. How about candidate number 6? Okay, on the way pa lang siguro. Candidate number 7! Ayun! Ang mga moms, ang mga supporters, yan. So, siguro mamaya-maya, we will find out who will win the crown of Ginoo. Ay, no, for Miss Tuban 2026. Ayan. Baka next year, madadagdagan na ng Ginoo, SK. Nasa na ba si SK Lim? Yeah. So once again po sa ating mga supporters, please feel free to occupy the spaces po sa ating right and left. So pasensya na po kung mga nakatayo tayo. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Eventually, baka magkaroon na tayo ng much better na upuan para sa iyo. Pero as of now, baka pwede tayo makatiis lamang. Kasi dahil maya, feeling ko ay wala na kayong mauupuan. So much better if nakapwesto na po kayo on both sides. ng isang matagumpay na event na ito. Siyempre, yan ay sa pangunguna ng ating napakatikas at napakagwapo. Gwapo ngayong gabi, Honorable Barangay Captain Rolando V. Perez. And of course, our Barangay Kagawad, Honorable Boy L. Tibayan, Honorable Reynante M. de la Cruz, Honorable Margine S. Bansan, Honorable Lorna M. Bandolin, Honorable Edwin L. Agbayan, Honorable Ariel L. De Lueras, Honorable Willie T. Garland, and of course, SK Chairperson Kobe T. Lim. And of course, we would like to thank our following sponsors, Miss Melanie Arizo, Miss Grace Balico, Apolonia Pilaro, Mrs. Mildred Perez, and Dr. Balisan. Okay, so makikiusap lamang po ako sa ating pong mga audiences na nandyan po sa entrance. Please, wag po natin i-block ang ating entrance. Pwede po tayong pumunta on both sides para makapanood po kayo ng maayos. So once again, sa ating viewers po, wag po natin i-block ang ating entrance. Para mas maayos po kayong makapanood, is punta po kayo on both sides ng ating gymnasium. So maraming salamat po.
Kasi, kasi ito.
8,000 ang share mo daw. Oh my God, 8,000.
Once again po sa ating pong mga manonood, punta po tayo on both sides ng ating gymnasium. Huwag po sana nating i-block ang ating entrance. Maraming salamat po.
Break these walls down to wake up and feel like me. Put this past all in the past now and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong and I know
Once again po sa nakakarinig ng ating tinig, everyone please come here na po sa ating gymnasium for we're about to start our program. Please occupy the vacant spaces. Please occupy the vacant spaces sa right and left wing po ng ating covered floor. Maraming salamat po.
Kaya mo.
And good evening to our first two judges tonight.
Ayaw nga pala. Dito ko ilagay mamaya. Para di ba?
ating entrance. Proceed po tayo sa both sides ng ating cover court. Maraming salamat po.
Kapit mo.
Once again po sa ating viewers, please huwag po natin i-block ang ating entrance. Mas maganda po if nandun po kayo on both sides of our gymnasium.
Gusto na lang, mga kanatawa eh. Yan!
May tagawag ka, ma'am.
Ito. Ito. Nabubukas yan. Sige pa. Alis
don't block the entrance po. Meron po tayong spaces sa bawat gilid po ng ating covered court. Maraming salamat
Maraming
po.
buffer dito. Kaluoy naman. Bakit gid? Talon eh. Ha? Hindi. Magagalaw. Mas steady to. Nagre-reklamo sila. Huwag na daw ano niya.
Mga basher na.
Ito akin.
Okay, once again, sa magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, sa ating pong mga viewers, sa ating entrance, please, huwag po natin i-block dahil baka isipin ng ibang tao sa labas ay occupied na tayo sa loob. May mga spaces na po tayo on both sides or on both wings po ng ating gymnasium. Please occupy those spaces po. Maraming salamat.
Bye-bye.
Ano ba yun? Tapos ako ma'am, nakakunin sa'yo.
Sige nga, roll call tayo. It seems like we're already in a full house. Counting spaces na lang ang kulang. Tingnan natin, baka may mga dumating ng supporters ang ating mga candidates. Pag tinawag mo po ang number ng inyong sinusuportahan candidates, give your loudest cheer. Okay, let's start with candidates number 1. Okay, meron na kahit pa paano. Candidates number 2. Okay, meron na rin. Candidates number 3. sa cheers ng candidate number 5. Eh, how about candidates number 6? Yun, grabe, parang mga naka-VIP chairs. Ang support sa candidates number 6. Last but not the least, candidates number 7. Iba talaga ang nilalamang ng vocal cords ng mga bata. Sobrang matinis. Ayun. Good evening po sa ating mga guests. And I can see familiar faces from DepEd. Good evening po, ma'am and sir. So you're honored. And of course, ma'am, good evening. And to our first 3 judges tonight, we're just waiting for our last 3 judges and we're good to go. We will officially start our program at exactly 8:30 in the evening. Once again po, pakiusap po, wag po tayo mag-standby sa ating entrance. Hanap po tayo na pwede nating mapwestuhan sa gilid at sa loob mismo ng ating covered board. Maraming salamat po. Once again po, my dear audience and viewers, huwag po natin i-block ang ating entrance para po makapasok po ng maayos ang iba pa nating mga kabarangay. We still have spaces po on both sides. Kahit nakatayo po tayo, pwede po doon. Huwag lamang po tayo sa entrance. Thank you so much. At this moment, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our major sponsors for this event. Starting off with, of course, Honorable Mayor Walter Marquez, our Honorable Governor Eduardo Gajano, for the variety show that was yesterday. Tama po ma'am, yung variety show po natin. And Honorable Congressman Audie Tariela, and of course, our very own Honorable Rolando Perez and Honorable Roy L. Tibaya and SK Cobilim for last night's band. Ayun. Alam ko, ilang days nang puyat ang Tubay. 2 days na ba? Pangalawang araw na to. Pero yet still, kitang-kita yung suporta ng bawat kabarangay. Ito na ba yung last na pagpupuyat natin, sir? Okay, so mas maganda, much better if you invite your family and friends at sama-sama tayong mag-enjoy tonight's show. Yan. So once again po sa ating viewers, please don't block the entrance. Talagang pwedeng pumasok ang mga sasakyan, no? Please don't block the entrance. May mga spaces po tayo on both sides of our gymnasium. Please do occupy it para po marami pa pong makapasok sa loob. And we're just waiting for our last judge and we're good to go. We're good to start our program for tonight. Magpa-perform sila mamaya. Sir? Yun. So, for our Zumba sponsors, thank you so much, Mr. Darwin Acosta, Amzi Trading, Febby T. Galiosa, Miss Julia Tolentino, Mr. Robin Navarro, Miss Cyril Ray on E-Road Hill, Mr. Jonathan Landong, Mr. Adi Villanueva, McCain Farming on YouTube channel, and Claudette L. Black. So thank you so much for our generous sponsors of Zumba competition. So sa ating pong mga bisita tonight, please occupy the sides po. Wag po tayo sa entrance ng ating covered court para mas marami pa pong makapanood. Yan, I can see some familiar faces. Good evening. Yan. Nakikita ko na aking mga friends. So, feeling ko naman, kompleto na ang supporters ng ating 7 candidates tonight. VIPs for tonight's show. Hanapin niyo lamang po yung mga naka-all black, sila po yung committee, and they will assist you all throughout the event.
Sino namang famous dyan?
Okay, once again, sa lahat po na nakakarinig na aking tinig, we will officially start our program at exactly 8:30 in the evening. So kung ako sa inyo, pumasok na po tayo sa gymnasium and find your most comfortable spot para po maayos ang iyong panonood all throughout the event. guests, good evening, honorable officials, and of course, beloved community members, and all who have gathered here tonight. Well, I know that this is your 35th founding anniversary, and of course, the much anticipated Mr. Bun 2026. With that, pwede po ba muli akong makarinig ng Masigabong Palakpakan? Well, that's it. I love the energy. I think this is my second time hosting this event here in your beloved barangay. Well, with that, gusto ko muna makahingi ng konting roll call. I believe yung ating mga supporters dyan ay grabe yung mga inihandang suporta para sa kanilang mga candidates. So let's have a roll call first for our pag tinawag ko po inyong candidate, please give your loudest cheers. Okay po ba yun? Okay, so let's start with candidates number 1. Wow. That is something, huh? So how about candidates number 2? Okay, may pa-drums. May pa-drums. Thank you so much. How about candidates number 3? Ayun. There's your support for candidates number 3. How about candidates number 4? Marami-rami na rin. Nagkalat-ngalat sila. Pero how about candidates number 5? Grabe ang energy ng support sa candidates number 5. Walang makakapigil. Pero how about candidates number 6? Ayun. Ang lakas ng cheers ng ating mga ma'ams and sir. How about last but not the least, candidate number 7? Grabe, tinalo ang vocal cords ng mga season. Iba talaga ang vocal cords pag medyo bata-bata, medyo matinis. Okay, so with that, we begin this momentous evening with a heartfelt invitation to guide us and bless our proceedings. Please stand for the prayer to be led by Lourdes Angels Choir. Muli po aking inaanyagan ang lahat para tumayo para sa isang panalangin. conducted by Teacher 1, Hannah Daisy Soto.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
You may now take your seat once again. Good evening, Barangay Tuban! Well, alam ko, this night is the most anticipated night and the most anticipated program in your 35th founding anniversary. Kaya naman, kahit napuyat kayo kagabi and pagod, kitang-kita yung full support ng ating mga kabarangay tonight. And of course, I would like to greet our barangay, legal barangays yan. Headed by our napakagwapong punong barangay this evening. Ayan, ang gaganda at ang gagwapo ng ating barangay councils tonight. And of course, syempre, gusto rin natin pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors and VIPs and guests na nandito kasama natin ngayong gabi. This event will not be possible kung wala po ang pagtutulungan natin lahat. And at this moment, what a beautiful to start our program this evening. So at this time, we are privileged to hear words of welcome from our punong barangay, our very own Honorable Rolando B. Perez. Palakpakan po natin.
Maraming salamat sa ating tagapagpakilala, si Mr. Randa. Siya po ay SK chairperson ng Barangay Buena Vista. Napakaganda po niya. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa ating kapwa ko barangay opisyal, mga kagawad, SK, at iba mga PHW, Lobot, at iba pa kawani ng ating barangay. Sa mga hurado po, mga piling hurado na presente dito po sa ating gaganaping binibining Miss Barangay Tuban. Sa ating pong masisipag na guro ng elementarya, guro ng sekundarya. Sa mga non-government official po, mga cooperatives, 2 cooperatives po na narito, sa organization ng vendors, Taugama, at iba pa po mga organisasyon na sumali sa pakikiisa dito sa ating ginaganap na pagkatatak ng ating barangay Tuban. Alam po ninyo, ngayong gabi ay siyang pinakatampok sa ating pagdiriwang. Ang search for binibining Tuban po. At bago po ang lahat, ay inihahabol po pati ang ating President din ang ating founding anniversary na si Ginoong Robilin Toto Navarro. Ang totoo po niyan, ang mga kandidata po ito ay pinili pa po sa iba't ibang zona ng ating barangay. Kaya ngayon pong gabi ay ating masasaksihan ang pagpamalas ng kanilang mga talento. At sana po lahat ay inaanyayahan namin pumasok na rito sa ating court o sa ating bulwagan. Nang sa ganon ay huwag kayong magsisi pag hindi nyo napanood ang presentasyon ng ating mga kandidata. Welcome po kayong lahat dito po sa ating pagdiriwang ng ika-35 pagkatatagpo ng ating barangay Tuban. Maraming pong salamat at magandang gabi muli sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Honorable Rolando V. Perez, ang very hands-on na kapitan at talaga namang kaniya. Pagpasok ko dito, kitang-kita ko na hindi mapakali ang cup. Talagang make sure niya that everything is well in place. Grabe yung pagka-hands-on ng ating kapitan. Bibihira lamang po ang ganyan. So at this moment, ang tanong, handa na ba kayong makita ang ating 7 candidates? Malamang sa sigawan kung oo! Yan, kahit ako, sobrang excited na rin ako makita ang ating candidates ay naglabasa na ang mga supporters. So, alam kong excited na kayo, just like me. And lumalalim na rin ang gabi. So, get ready to be dazzled as our candidates take the stage for the production number and summer wear competition. Let's give them a huge round of applause as they make their grand entrance.
DJ Sinorio Molina, under the supervision of Honorable Edward Minto, representing Zone 5A and Sangguniang Kabataan!
Isang sigaw, isang mundo, sa entablado ito, uso ang Villanueva, Nicolas, Go 5B, and Ventos
judges and tabulators, followed by the giving of certificates and the presentation of competition mechanics. So with that, may we call in our teacher 3, Jonavi D. Labrador. Palakpakan po natin. Thank you. Tonight's competition will be guided by our respected panel of judges who have the most important responsibility of choosing the Miss Tuban 2026. Our first judge is a third-year college student at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, pursuing Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, an advocate for inclusive and accessible tourism for persons with disabilities. The reigning Binibining Santa Cruz 2025 and Binibining Occidental Mindoro 2025 second runner-up, Miss Eloise Camonggol de la Rosa.
Shot running in my non-stop vertical. Kill fly whiskey in the teapot. Passing, burning like an enemy. Bright heaven, body infused to fire. It smells like.
To give the certificates and token, may we call on our Honorable Punong Barangay, Honorable Rolando V. Perez, together with the chairman of the 35th Founding Anniversary, Ms. Rubelie Navarro, and SK Chairperson, Colby T. Lee. So this certificate of appreciation is presented to the judges for her valuable times and expertise as a judge of Miss Tuban 2026. Your wisdom, fairness, and professionalism have greatly contributed to the prestige of this event. Given this 11th day of March 2026 at Tuban, Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro, signed by Honorable Barangay Captain Rolando V. Perez. A licensed professional teacher, graduated as cum laude at Occidental Mindoro State College with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Education. Currently working at LGU San Jose under the Municipal Cooperative Development Office, certified trainer of cooperatives, a member of ACES and Queens, a freelance model, Binibining Magsaysay 2016, Miss Oriental Mindoro 2023, first runner-up, Din-Ay Kang Semirara 2023, Din-Ay Kang Antique 2024, first runner-up, Miss Mimaropa Cooperative 2024, held at Puerto Princesa, Palawan, representing Occidental Mindoro, Binibining San Jose 2025, and Binibining Occidental Mindoro 2025, Miss Rica Jessamel Pisquera. From the state academic pageant circuit to the grand stages of community and province, our next judge is a testament to growth, shaped by purpose, grace, and service. A proud community pharmacist and a steadfast advocate for health education and empowerment. He carries his calling beyond profession into public service. Today, he stands honorably crowned and reigning as the Ginoong San Jose and the Ginoong Occidental Mindoro, Mr. Melvin J. Santiago.
title holder and representative who has made waves in Occidental Mindoro and beyond. He is the Ginoong Poblacion 2024, Ginoong Sablayan 2025, Ginoong Occidental Mindoro 2025 first runner-up, and soon to represent our province in the upcoming Great Man of the Universe, Mr. Ronald Vicencio.
You got my heart when you had it the first day we met. But look at you and I knew this as good as it gets. Look in your eyes and I'm watching you say, I need this forever, I need this forever. Keep myself around you, girl, you're passing right away. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay. 'Cause you must take my life out of time. That's just what you do. There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like the feeling in the air.
Our last judge is a dedicated educator and public servant from Mamburao Occidental, Mindoro. He is the son of the late Vice Mayor Rogelio Tariela Abileda and the late Marilyn Habade de Guzman, and the brother of Municipal Councilor Damsi Abileda. He holds a Doctor of Philosophy degree and has served as a substitute teacher in Santa Cruz District, master teacher in San Jose South District, and a principal in Lubang and Calintahan districts. He is also a member of the Board of Trustees of the Philippine Public Schools Teachers Association and has been part of the organizing committee for events such as Ginoo at Binibining Mamburao, Bibel Mr. and Miss Occidental Mindoro, and Miss Universe Philippines Occidental Mindoro. Currently, he serves as the Division Administrative Officer 5 of the Department of Education, Schools Division of Occidental Mindoro. Please welcome the Chairman of the Board of Judges, Dr. Dennis Michael de Guzman Abileda. To ensure the accuracy and integrity of tonight's results are our tabulators who will compute and consolidate the judges' scores to determine the deserving winners. Let us acknowledge our tabulators, Ma'am Ferulin B. Garrido, Teacher 6 at Tuban Elementary School, and Ma'am Jenny B. Damrosa, Teacher 6, a junior high school math teacher from Paulino Legazpi Senior Memorial National High School. To uphold fairness and excellence in selecting our queen, our judges will evaluate the candidates based on this criteria. Production number 15%. Contestants must wear the production number outfit provided by the organizers. No other accessories are permitted aside from earrings. Stage presence and confidence 30%. Mastery 13%. Beauty 15%. Introduction 15%. Audience impact 10%. Total 100%. Summer attire 15%. Contestants must wear the designated summer attire. Modification is not allowed unless the outfit does Confidence impact 10%. Total 100%. Modern attire 15%. Contestants must wear attire that reflects Mangyan heritage, creatively adapted to modern fashion. No large props are allowed, especially those that may obstruct or cover other contestants on stage. Cultural authenticity and relevance 25%. Creativity and modern adaptation 20%. Elegance and suitability 20%. Stage presence and confidence 20%. Overall impact 15%. Total 100%. Advocacy 15%. Each contestant is given a maximum of 120 seconds to deliver their advocacy. A clicking sound will indicate that the contestant has reached the maximum time limit. Clarity of message 25%. Relevance and substance 20%. Passion and conviction 20%. Stage presence and communication skills 20%. Impact and memorability 15%. Total 100%. For the gown 15%. Elegance and suitability 30%. Style and fashion sense 20%. Stage presence and confidence 20%. Grooming and presentation 15%. Overall impact 15%. Total 100%. For our prelim question and answer 15%. Content and substance 30%. Clarity of expression 20%. Confidence and composure 20%. Time management 15%. Impact and memorability 15%. Total 100%. The top three will be judged exclusively based on the final segment: production, summer wear, modern Mangyan attire, casual wear, advocacy, gown, and prelim Q&A. Once the top three finalists are selected, all previous scores will be reset to 0. And for the final question and answer for top three, each finalist is given 60 seconds to deliver their response. The same questions will be asked to the top three contestants to ensure fairness and comparability. Content and substance 30%. Clarity of expression 20%. Confidence and composure 20%. Personality and authenticity 15%. Impact and memorability 15%. Total 100%.
Thank you so much, Teacher 3, John Navi D. Labrador. Well, we have already known our judges and of course our dear tabulators. I'm very sure that we will have a fair and square competition tonight, given with their credentials. Pero ang request ko ng Barangay Tuban, sana daw po next time, mailagay yung status. Ang daming kinilig nung pinapresent ang ating mga judges, ang ating mga binata at dalaga ngayong gabi. Grabe naman talaga ang ngitian. So baka po next time, pwede daw po madagdag yung status ng ating mga judges. So kidding aside, everyone, well, our celebration would not be complete without words of encouragement from our leaders. So first, let us welcome Honorable Edwin and Vintu, our Vice Mayor, for his message. Or if not, any representative from our Vice Mayor, meron po ba? Okay, if not, so I know that our Vice Mayor would love to be on this show tonight. Pero alam naman po natin na very busy ang ating Vice Mayor with the MRAA happening at this moment. Okay, so another message coming from our Is there any representative po from our Vice Governor's office? If not, let us now proceed to, once again, to our candidates. Handa na ba kayo muli makita sila? Yan, the energy is still up, is still there, kaya hindi natin ipuputulin. Let us welcome once again our candidates for they're ready to showcase their style and fashion in the casual wear and advocacy campaign segment.